Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what's coming up, Taurus. We'll be picking few cards for your daily energies, Taurus. So these are for your daily energies, and I'll be picking two cards from the Wisdom Oracle Guidance deck. So this is for your career situation, this is for your relationship, Taurus, and this is your angel guidance card. So for your daily energies, Seven of Wands, Seven of Pentacles in reverse, the World in reverse, guys. So with these cards, Taurus, the energy is that, guys, you are making great efforts today, guys. So whatever your situation is, you are putting in great efforts to make things work. Maybe this may relate to your work situation or your relationship. You are trying really hard to make this relationship work. You are not leaving any stone unturned in this today to make things go for your benefit, guys. That's what I see here. And you are thinking deeply within yourself what you need to do. Maybe your accomplishments, whatever you had till now, you are happy for it. And what is your future, your dreams, what you still have to achieve. So you are thinking deeply about that also. So what is your path, what is your choice? That is also what I see here, guys, with these cards. And also you are trying to find that balance in your life, guys. So it may be in your work situation, or it may be in your relationship. You are trying to balance things, be fair in your situation, in your work situation, build that harmony in your work situation or in your relationship. You are working really hard to have that clear understanding, to build that love and harmony, that balanced relationship. That is what I see here with these cards, Taurus. So what is the card for your career situation? What is the oracle card? Message in a bottle. So with this card, guys, some good things are coming your way, guys. So some important messages or announcements are coming today, are reaching you. Maybe some important deals in your work, or maybe somebody is calling you or sending you a letter, or some business contracts, whatever you are expecting. You are inching closer to your dreams and your desires. That is what I see here. And what is the card for your relationship? Between worlds. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, you may you are right on the wall. You are unable to decide which way to go, how your situation will unfold. So this is not the time for that certainty. You don't know how things will go in your situation. Maybe will you have that greater understanding with this person, or will this relationship last, or it will not. So this is the time for you to have that curiosity. Be curious in your situation. See your situation with a childlike wonder. Expect unexpected things. So when you have that, you will be able to what to say, let go of your expectation and feel happy however things are coming your way. So this is the time for you to give up the expectations that guarantee. So things will not go as you are planning or thinking, but whatever is unfolding will just take you by surprise if you have that curiosity. That is what I see here with this card, guys. So what is the angel? Universal heart. So with this card, guys, the energy, maybe this person you are in relationship with, this person may be your soulmate, guys, some kind of a karmic destiny. That is the reason we have this card here. That is the reason this person is there with you. That is the energy, guys. So whatever decisions that we make in our life, we have to have that compassion, love and understanding. So our decisions should not affect the people who are there with us in that situation. Maybe some decisions in our work or in our family, whatever it is, we should have that deep understanding and compassion, and we should make choices from our heart, not from our head, guys. So when we do that, we will work towards the greater good of everyone. So that is the reading for today, Taurus. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.